Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be taking a little break from the turbo build on the Civic and move to a cosmetic upgrade. We got some new headlights here from Amazon, and we actually have our first official sponsor of the channel, AUXITO. They were nice enough to send us over some LED headlight bulbs to go with our new headlights. These are going to be perfect because right now we have like a deep blue LED bulb in there that looks horrible and it really doesn't light anything else up. So it's quite the coincidence that they reached out and wanted to send us some bulbs to review on the channel. So if you guys want to get these, I'll link them down below. I'll put my code down below, BBOOST. But first, let's throw them in and review them and see how they are. I decided I wanted to change up the look of the headlights because right now it's like a black housing. I really want the Civic to be like a clean OEM look. So I went ahead and got on Amazon and got some clear lenses to try to clean up the front a bit. I figured why not, we're getting bulbs, why not just go all the way, get the lenses. These were like, I don't know, 80 or 90 bucks on Amazon. So I'll link these down below if you guys want to get these as well. It says they're from DNA Motoring, but like I said, I got them right from Amazon. Let's go ahead and unbox our AUXITO headlights. I hope I'm saying that right. And see what they look like. So it comes in this nice hard cardboard box. Here's the different codes on them. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let's go ahead and open her up. That's nice, comes with some gloves. I don't know how important these actually are on LED bulbs. I know the old bulbs, if you touched the bulb, they would go out. So it's nice that they supply these. Here's a product manual. It just talks about them a little bit. Warranty. Just goes through everything, how to fit them up in there. And here are the bulbs. Nice LED bulbs. They've got a built-in fan for cooling, and they are the high and low beams, I am pretty sure. So let's go ahead and get our old lights out of the Civic, get the old blinker bulbs out to put in our new lenses here, our new housings. And then we'll work on transferring everything over and see how these bulbs are. So I guess we got to take our bumper off to get to all the bolts. There's 4 bolts in your headlight, 2 up here and 2 are on the sides. So let's go ahead and take our bumper off. All right guys, let's go ahead and put in our new bulbs. This is the old blinker / running bulb. That one I'd like to replace with LED, but not yet. Just cause we don't have one. There's that one. Now we've got our new bulb here. Let me show you how these go in. It's like a little metal clip. Left. We're on the left. there we go. So, just a little metal clip. You put it in where it lines up and press the clip back down on it. Now, let's throw it back in. It'd help if we did the right side. All right guys, these things look great. Let's go ahead and turn on our headlights to see what they look like in the daytime. So it's just a nice, clean, white LED. They look fantastic. It's just a nice, crisp white. So far, I really love how they look. The bulbs look fantastic. And the lenses look fantastic as well. Super bright. I mean, it's daytime. I got all my lights on in here and you can see that it's lighting up the garage over there. I'm really pleased with these headlight bulbs from AUXITO. They fit perfectly, just like bulbs should. They plug right in. There's no like external ballast or anything like that that you have to add. They work great. So what I'm gonna do is wait for it to get nighttime, and then I'm gonna come back out here and let you guys see how bright they are at nighttime, so that we can do like a full honest review with it, and then I'll shoot my outro. All right guys, conclusion. I am real happy with the headlights and the new bulbs. I would like to switch all of my other vehicles' bulbs to those because those are a lot brighter. On the website I noticed they had like 3 different options and I got the brightest and they are bright. Hopefully you could see it in the last clip at nighttime. But overall, I really like them. And I was just looking on their website and it says they have a 2-year warranty on all their products from the date of purchase. So that is super nice because I used to get all my bulbs off of Amazon, and the bulbs on my truck are from Amazon, and I had one of them go out. So I had to buy new ones. Well, now I wish I would have went with AUXITO. So anyway, conclusion, I love them, great product. I'm super happy that they reached out and we're working together on this, because they seem like a really good company. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I'll link everything below. My code for the AUXITO stuff is BBOOST, and I think it's actually 15% off that you'll get. So check that out if you're needing any lights for your vehicles. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.